Hello everyone! So this is our lesson for today about conversion of fraction, decimal, and percent. Okay? And our objective is to convert percent to fraction. The first example is 50%. The first step is remove the percent sign and then we're going to divide by 100. So now we have 50 over 100 and then reduce to its lowest term. Okay, so in this example, we can cancel 0. Then now we have 5 over 10. And then divide by the greatest common factor of 5 and 10, which is 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So now we have 1 half. And that is a fraction. So 50% is equivalent to 1 half in fraction. Okay, that is how to convert percent to fraction. And then now let's have another example on how to convert percent to fraction. We have number 1. We have 25%. To convert it into fraction, we divide it by 100. So we have 25 divided by 100. Okay, and the next is to simplify or find its lowest term by dividing both numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor, which is 25. 25 divided by 25 is 1. 100 divided by 25 is 4. Next, number 2, we have 75%. Then now we have 75 divided by 100 and divide by the greatest common factor of 75 and 100. Then 75 divided by 25 is 3. 100 divided by 25 is 4. Next, number 3, we have 20%. Then now we have 20 over 100. Then, the greatest common factor of 20 and 100 is 20. So, 20 divided by 20 is 1. And 100 divided by 20 is 5. So, that is how to convert percent to fraction.